The window. Out of the window I can see the birds. For years I've been feeding them, and now they know. They know I'm here. And they wait. They wait for the wild bird seed and nuts. When it is bitter cold, I give them more. I give them extra. And they allow me to watch them eat. And then, in springtime, they let me listen to their song. I'm glad of that. They have the gift of giving unspeakable pleasure. I love them all with a passion. They are small kinetic things, each to their own feather, and they shift and jump and flitter, always nervous, always alert to the sparrow hawk. The hawk sweeps down. I've seen it take a bird. There was nothing I could do. There was nothing I could do. But think about the way life is. A heart can be caught in the claws of love and carried off to be devoured or discarded, as the case may be. All this does nothing other than prove the utter vulnerability of our existence.
There, and that's Mrs. Do you see she's got stuff in her mouth? Straw. She doesn't want me to see where she's going, so I'm going to leave her now.